When you file a claim with auto insurance, our automobiles are an important asset to protect from fiscal dilemmas resulting from tragic mishaps. Car insurance is one of those important necessities. In spite of the fact that in most areas it is required by law, even if it were not, it makes good economic sense in order to preserve you and your property from unforeseen expenses. Car insurance provides protection for you and your passengers from injury or damage to your vehicle in an accident. You can also be assured of protection in the event of theft of your vehicle or, in certain circumstances, theft of your personal belongings that may be in your car. An added benefit to having car insurance is to protect you financially if you are the cause of an accident. In the event you were judged at fault and litigation is brought against you, an adequate car insurance policy could pay the damages toward the other party with no financial strain on you. In recent years, car insurance has become easier and more readily available through the technology of the internet. Practically every insurance provider has a website with a free online quote form to allow consumers an occasion to compare car insurance premiums and levels of cover among several of rival companies. Simply visiting a website of any car insurance provider will introduce a form that requires a customer to input minimal demographic data such as postal code, gender, and age to secure an instant free premium quote on your car insurance. In addition, a customer can pay and print their policy and necessary proof of insurance cards online immediately after paying. An added advantage of purchasing car insurance online is that one can compare rates from virtually any insurance provider, saving valuable time instead of spending fruitless hours calling an insurance agent for the best quote. Most online car insurance quotes take less than a few minutes to secure. In many cases, you can also choose to add other levels of service to your policy, for instance, free roadside assistance or loaner vehicles when your insured vehicle is in the garage. A wise investment is to obtain protection for your vehicle with a quality car insurance policy. Whether you choose to do so online or in person, you can start by getting a handful of free quotes from competitive insurance providers. Once you have found a suitable car insurance quote to meet your needs, you can make your purchase at the chosen company's website or call the company's agent listed on their site.